Number 1. If you're aiming for that gorgeous glowing skin look that lasts all day, then you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about the best dewy setting sprays that can help you lock in your makeup while giving your skin that perfect radiant finish. Whether you want a light dew or a full-on glow, we've got the perfect products for you. Let's dive in and see which one is the best fit for your beauty routine. Kicking off our list at number 1, Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Setting Spray is a beloved product from Rihanna's Fenty Beauty line. This spray is designed to set makeup while providing a natural, dewy finish. It promises to lock in your makeup for up to 12 hours, and it's formulated to suit all skin types, making it a versatile option for anyone seeking a flawless finish. Key features. The key feature of the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r is its lightweight, non-oily formula that delivers a long-lasting dewy finish. It contains a microfine mist that evenly disperses the product onto the skin, giving it a radiant glow without being too heavy or sticky. Additionally, the spray is infused with a subtle tropical scent that enhances the experience without being overpowering. Benefits and usage. Fenty's Pro Filt'r Setting Spray is perfect for anyone who wants to maintain a fresh, dewy glow throughout the day. It's designed to lock makeup in place without dulling your skin's natural radiance. Use it after applying makeup for a smooth, luminous finish, or throughout the day for a touch-up that revives your glow. It's also great for adding that extra hydration boost to the skin. Usability. The Pro Filt'r Spray has an ultrafine mist that ensures even distribution, preventing any blotchiness or unevenness. It's simple to use. Just hold the bottle at arm's length and spray all over your face in a T or X motion. The spray is quick-drying, meaning you don't have to wait long before going about your day. Durability. This setting spray excels in durability, offering a long-lasting dewy finish that holds your makeup in place for up to 12 hours. It works well even for those with oily skin, as it controls shine while keeping the glow intact. Even in humid or hot conditions, Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r keeps your skin radiant without fading or becoming greasy. In the second spot, we have Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is a premium setting spray that promises to lock your makeup in place while providing a radiant, glowing finish. Known for its long-lasting formula, it's designed to blur imperfections and enhance the skin's natural luminosity. This setting spray has quickly become a favorite for those looking for a dewy, airbrushed effect. Key features. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray features a microfine mist that evenly sets makeup, ensuring a soft focus effect that blurs imperfections. It's infused with film-forming polymers that help makeup last longer while creating a breathable, dewy glow. The spray also includes hydrating ingredients, making it an excellent choice for dry or dull skin types. Benefits and usage. This setting spray is perfect for creating a flawless, dewy finish that looks natural. It's designed to lock in makeup without feeling heavy, and it's perfect for everyday use or special occasions. The formula also works as a great refresher, giving the skin an instant burst of hydration and a luminous, airbrushed look that lasts for hours. Usability. The spray has a fine, soft mist that's easy to apply and dries quickly. Simply hold it at arm's length and spray evenly over your face. It's suitable for all skin types, and it's especially beneficial for dry skin as it helps add a layer of hydration while locking in your makeup. Plus, it's travel-friendly, making it easy to carry in your bag for touch-ups on the go. Durability. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is incredibly long-lasting, providing up to 16 hours of wear. It keeps makeup in place without losing the dewy finish. It's also resistant to heat and humidity, meaning your skin stays fresh and radiant even in tough conditions. The spray maintains your makeup's integrity and the glowing finish all day long. Coming in at number 3 is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is a fan favorite, offering a dewy finish that's perfect for achieving a radiant glow. Unlike many other setting sprays, it comes in an aerosol can that dispenses the product in a continuous mist, which makes for an even, flawless application. This setting spray is ideal for those who want a quick and easy way to lock in makeup with a refreshing burst of dew. Key features. One of the standout features of the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist is its fine, continuous spray, which ensures an even application across the face. The spray delivers a lightweight formula that provides a dewy finish without making the skin greasy. It's enriched with hydrating ingredients that keep your skin feeling fresh and revitalized, perfect for all skin types. Benefits and usage. Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist not only locks your makeup in place, but also gives you that coveted dewy look. It's designed to hydrate and refresh the skin while ensuring your makeup stays put. Simply spray it over your makeup to set your look, or use it throughout the day to refresh your skin and restore your glow. Usability. The Continuous Mist feature is one of the best parts of this product. It makes it easy to apply without worrying about uneven patches or overspraying. The spray is lightweight and non-sticky, and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's also a great product for quick application, making it a staple in any makeup routine. Durability. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist offers decent longevity, keeping makeup intact for several hours without needing to touch up. The mist also maintains your dewy glow, even in hot or humid environments. However, reapplication may be necessary if you're out and about for an extended period. Nonetheless, it provides a good balance of durability and hydration. Taking our fourth spot is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin. The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist is a luxurious setting spray designed to give your skin a glowing, dewy finish while keeping your makeup in place. Infused with a blend of rice bran oil, green tea, and algae, this mist not only sets your makeup but also nourishes and hydrates your skin. It's a must-have for those seeking both a glow and skin-loving benefits. Key features. Tatcha's Luminous Dewy Skin Mist stands out for its hydrating formula, packed with ingredients like rice bran oil and green tea. These ingredients help nourish and protect the skin while delivering a radiant finish. The mist is also lightweight and non-greasy, making it a great choice for adding a luminous glow without feeling heavy on the skin. Benefits and usage. This setting spray is perfect for anyone with dry skin or those who love a luminous, glowing finish. It hydrates and nourishes while providing a soft, dewy glow that lasts throughout the day. Use it after applying makeup for a glowing finish, or throughout the day to refresh and rehydrate your skin, giving it that extra dewy boost. Usability. The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist has a fine mist that evenly covers the face, and its luxurious formula feels refreshing and soothing. It's perfect for dry or dull skin as it adds hydration and radiance. The bottle is also travel-friendly, making it easy to carry with you for quick touch-ups throughout the day. Durability. The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist provides a long-lasting dewy finish, keeping your skin hydrated and glowing for hours. It holds up well in different environments and doesn't leave a greasy residue. While the glow may diminish slightly over time, the hydration and makeup setting effects last throughout the day.